Welcome to MS Ultrasonic Technology, where we are ultrasonics. Every day, we give everything for our products, our customers, and our community. We offer the right solution for every requirement.
We are a custom machine builder, building special machinery, automation equipment, specializing in ultrasonic technology. What I love most about my job is that every day is different. No day is like the last. Every day presents a different opportunity, a different challenge. Every project we work on presents a different opportunity and a different challenge. A lot of people, they go to work and they concentrate on what they do and just their job alone. But we at MS, we actually look at the bigger picture. So what gets us really excited is if you go to the grocery store, you look at certain consumers' products. If you look at the vehicles in your parking lot, we actually build equipment which touches all of that. And that is a really exciting part for us. Often friends, family, even my own kids, they ask me, what do you do for a living? The easy answer is we build machines. But when you actually look at the products we work on, that makes us extremely proud. And we can say that whatever we have in front of us is designed, built by our equipment with our team.
The foundation of everything we do lies in our core values. These are not just words on a piece of paper, but they are who we are. They drive everything we do and every decision we make. Innovation. We bring cutting-edge technology to the people.
What makes us really special is we look at every application as a problem and as an opportunity. I often say it's not like we have a lot of stuff and we just try to sell it. It's actually the other way around. We listen to our customers and we work on a solution, on an opportunity together with our customers to figure out the best solution for that problem.
Passion. We love what we do and project our excitement out into the world.
I'm very passionate about what we do because I feel like with our equipment, we can really change the world. We can make things quicker, we can make them better. For me as a CEO, it is very important that not only I'm excited about what we do, I want everybody to be excited what we do. So I really live this every single day and I inform my people. I show them what we do and I try to get them as excited as I am from the get-go.
Transparency. We thoughtfully communicate and share information.
Open communication and honesty is one of our core values. I feel that in order for everybody to be able to do the best of what they do, I need to provide all the tools, which part of that is open communication. They need to know about everything happening in our company.
Teamwork. We work together in a way that builds on each team member's strengths.
In our company, we rely on good ideas, on innovations, and every voice matters. Every employee has good ideas, and we're open to share them and listen to them.
Honesty. We speak the truth, act with integrity, and model high ethical standards. Respect. We recognize and embrace the value and worthiness of all team members.
We respect anybody here at MS Ultrasonic Technology. I also expect that everybody's treated the same way, regardless if they're the CEO, the CFO, or the people taking care of the smaller stuff in the company. We have very smart people working here at MS Ultrasonic Technology. We're constantly trying to make our processes better. Every project has new challenges and new opportunities, and we often look at things and we ask ourselves the question, how can we make that even better? And this is the key to innovation.
Our mission: to provide innovative and customizable ultrasonic technology solutions, support, and education now and for the future. Every decision we make that supports our mission brings us closer to our vision to be the company that continuously makes a difference in the lives of our customers and community through ultrasonic technology, because that is our ultimate goal and purpose. Here at MS Ultrasonic Technology, we offer the right solutions. We are thinkers. We are doers. We are ultrasonics. And we are excited to have you here with us.